If the strategic unity U of an aggressive maneuver is a function of the total competitive displacement D divided by the internal system friction F and the subsequent reputational decay R, at what precise point of your 2026 market offensive does your disruptive force transition from a growth catalyst into catastrophic violence error that triggers a massive automated counterstrike from the regulatory and social ecosystem?